How to cancel your HP All-in plan. If you decide to cancel your plan, here's what you can expect. You can cancel at any time. Cancellation fees might apply. After canceling, you are required to return the printer to HP. Printing services are turned off immediately if you cancel within 30 days of enrollment, or at the end of your billing cycle if you cancel later. A cancellation fee might apply, depending on how long you have been enrolled. If you've been enrolled 30 days or less, there is no cancellation fee if you return the printer to HP within 10 days of canceling. If you've been enrolled more than 30 days and less than 2 years, there is a cancellation fee. See hp.com/all-in-plan/printers for more details. If you've been enrolled more than 2 years, there is no cancellation fee. To begin, sign into your account at hpsmart.com. On the left menu, click HP All-in Print Plan, and then click Overview. Click Cancel Plan in the Plan Details section, click Confirm Cancellation, and then follow the on-screen instructions. After cancellation, you receive an email with instructions to return the printer with the prepaid label supplied by FedEx. Return the printer within 10 days of the end of the billing cycle. If you have problems, contact 24/7 Pro Live support anytime. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.